Right, good afternoon and welcome back to another vlog here on Coaster Crazy YouTube channel. Yeah, you can see by that sign there, I'm at a Sea Life Centre. Well, I'm actually at Sea Life Centre Great Yarmouth. This is actually part of a sort of out of season walking tour sort of video that I'm sort of started doing. I did one 2 months ago. We came to Great Yarmouth and did an attractions video. The only thing I didn't do, well actually there was a couple of things we didn't do. We didn't do Great Yarmouth Pleasure Beach, which is that way down the promenade, basically down there. And we didn't do the Sea Life Centre. So we're actually here for, well, we're here for another couple of hours or so. Lisa's actually just gone off to the, I forget the name of the pier. The pier that's there. I'll be there in a minute anyway. She's gone off to do the slotties. We've actually just had a walk down the promenade with Tilly up on the beach, just showing you some of the stuff that isn't open, like the Ferris wheel, a couple of great crazy golf courses that are not open, Joyland's not open, Britannia Pier's not open, the model village that we did 2 months ago, that's not open. There's a few things not open, but the Sea Life Centre is open. Again, obviously it's owned by the Merlin company, the Merlin Entertainments. So if you do have a Merlin Annual Pass, you can use it. I've literally just been in there, scanned my Merlin Pass and then come out to start the vlog. So join me for the next, what, half an hour, 20 minutes, whatever it takes for me to walk around the Sea Life Great Yarmouth. Let's go and have a look. So yeah, might as well keep the camera rolling, but yeah, open from 11 o'clock as it says there. So you come inside and you see the lovely lady over there, and you can scan your pass, or you can you pay on the door as well? You can, so you don't have to book online for this one. No. You can book online. And how much is it to get in for an adult? £18. £18, bargain. Happy days, there you go. And how much for a child? £16.95 for a child. Thank you very much. Right, there we go. So you got the shop, we'll show you that at the end. You got some nice fish just in here as well, and it is nice and warm. Yeah, so this is probably one of the only Sea Life Centres that I've not done in the UK. I think there might be another one somewhere else. A little classroom there. So yeah, here's your times for your feeds. So 10 past 11, I missed that one. 12 o'clock, I've missed that one. Sea turtle feeds. The next one's at 12:30, which is ray and conservation feed and talk. You got 1 o'clock native fish and sustainability talk and shipwreck. Sustainability, sorry. Shark talk at the ocean tank. And 3 o'clock you got the penguin feed and talk as well. So yeah, it's basically, I'm just going to show you what's here. I've never been to this one before. I don't think it's the biggest Sea Life there is, but it's nice to come and show you something that's new. And I might as well just keep it in one take, see how long it can take to get around here. There's a cool, I like these fibre optics. Jelly invaders. Oh, there you go. Yeah, obviously dogs are not allowed in here, so she's had to go off and do her own thing. People are walking back the other way. Is it a dead end? Can't be a dead end. Literally a couple of jellyfish in there. Yeah, I'm guessing this is not the biggest aquarium in the world. Look at the size of those. Oh my god, they're massive. Wow, they're huge. Tank busters. Oh my god, they're huge. There's a common myth that a fish will only grow to the size of its tank. This isn't true. Yeah, they're massive. Absolutely huge. Oh, there's your penguins. So penguins actually have an outdoor section. They could do with cleaning the moisture off the windows.
Whoa, look! See him?
They're penguins, they're just chilling on the rocks.
We've got a couple of penguin out there, that's pretty much as best you got to get. Photo opportunity. Yeah, that's the thing about the winter as well, condensation. We've got all the names there, the penguins. Yeah, I guess I think I've pretty much done half of it already. Can you go inside the submarine? Looks like there's a window just there. I think you can go inside there. Got some rays and things in here. It's probably where they do the ray talk. Things about the seals. Oh, look at these. They're weird. Yeah, so far 8 minutes. In here again, obviously, there's a lot of things to read. And yeah, I think you can go in this submarine. Yellow submarine, a yellow submarine. We all live in a yellow submarine. And I was right. Yeah, there is the glass at the bottom. It's pretty cool. In a yellow submarine. Yellow submarine. Yeah, I'm gonna have to start a playlist now, aren't I? A new playlist for the Sea Life Centres. Can't see me there. I'm there because I've done quite a lot of them now. I did do London Sea Life not that long ago actually, when I had a day off, but I didn't film it. Unfortunately, I should have done. Oh yeah, there's a bit closed off, yeah, so we need to go back the way we came. Yeah, so this is closed off. They did say past the alligators, so you can't even walk down that bit. Oh well. So there's alligator. Oh, there you are. There's alligators in here. There's one just there. The camera's picking it up or not. So yeah, we're gonna have to walk back the way we came. I think that's as much as we can see. So we said it was £18 to get in here. Well, half of it's closed. Yeah, so we have to walk back the way we came. Unfortunately, I don't know if there's a shark tank in here. But there's a lot of space in here. Well, yeah, I hope you've had a good Christmas. I did do the Winter Wonderland Norwich the other day. Again, part of this vlog as well is the walk around Great Yarmouth. So yeah, that's just why people were walking back the way that I came. So I think that's it. I'm not even joking. Unless there's a way round the way we came. If that's the case, it's been, can't even see the time. My eyesight's going just less than 10 minutes. And then that's it. So the bit that you said was closed, is that it? Then you have to walk back this way?
Yeah, and then just through that green door, keep walking.
Oh right, okay. Oh, thank you. And then you got to go back this way. Oh, thank you very much. Cheers. Ah, so I haven't finished. Oh, through here? Oh, there we go. Enter this way. Ah, right, there you go. So you got to go sort of back on yourself. Ah, there we go. Oh, Cool. Is there an ocean tank in it? Yeah, I think there is. Yeah, so there was a certain section that was closed and obviously you had to walk back on yourself. Got ants in there. Yeah, sorry if I seem to be rushing through here. Or it was like it's a bit of like an idea, isn't it? Just to walk through it and see how long it takes. Oh, there's a couple of sharks up there. Oh, there's a big turtle there.
Some big ones there.
Oh, there is. Now there's a shark. Wow. Oh, there's a couple. There's another one there. Oh, it's another little shark there. Wow, look at that statue. That looks awesome. How's that? There's a big window just on the side of here. Wow, it's actually really good in here. Look at the flooring. That's it. I think that's where it was locked off. Yeah, really cool. Look at that window. Yeah, there you go. So there's a bit that's closed off. So yeah, we've seen it all. That looks amazing. Look at that statue through there. That's really cool. That's a huge window. Not the biggest sharks in there, not the biggest tank. The one in London was massive. I'm not even taking any pictures while I've been in here. Yeah, that's amazing, that. Get a couple of pictures. Well, there you go. That's it. That's pretty much. That's the Sea Life Centre, Great Yarmouth. Not the biggest. Oh, not the biggest attraction. But what they've got's alright. I like the sharks in here. This theming piece in here is amazing. It looks great on the camera. It's really warm. Wow, that's awesome. And then you got the big turtle in here somewhere. The fact that you've got these bits here, we can actually sort of sit down on the edge. I don't know where the turtle has gone.
Can you see it, Mama, through that? Can you see Mama?
Awesome. There's a couple of pictures while I'm in here, in this section. Just really like that though, especially with the light behind it. Wow. That's amazing. Right, let's get out of here. Let's go and do some slotties and end the vlog. Well, yeah, you've got some small tanks in here with cardinal fish. Again, you could probably spend a long time in here seeing it all. You've got green ants in here. Pretty sure they're green. Oh, they're not, they're little snails. Oh, I thought they were ants. Did you see them? There's tiny little snails in here. Obviously it's a big snail there. I thought they were ants. Oh, they're little baby snails. There's your turtle stuff. Wow, look at that window. That's amazing. That's really cool. Nemo's cave. Yeah, you got plenty of clownfish in here. I think you got your rock pool explorer. This bit looks fairly new in here. Oh, there's plenty of people in here. I like the lighting under the flooring, that's quite good. Oh, there's a lobster there. You got your rock pools. Oh god, octopus in there.
Uite, David, cum ai poze cu caracatița, cum uite. Cine e acolo?
And there you go, there's your pictures. And there's the shop. Yeah, it was alright. For what it was, yeah. But there you go. Just over 15 minutes. We did the whole vlog, the whole attraction. Well, it's actually 16 minutes now, 16-minute long. There's the exit. But yeah, they've got a Costa coffee in here as well, which is a part of the thing. I tell you what, I'll wait. I'll go outside. I want the toilet. We've got the VR headset things there as well. There you go. The world's fastest Sea Life Centre vlog here in Great Yarmouth. But yeah, it was alright for what it was. It's not the biggest. I mean, you can see the whole building basically just here behind me. I've got to go to the arcades now. I've got to finish off my other vlog that I was doing. This was just a stopgap really, just to show you what was here. But there you go. Sea Life Centre, Great Yarmouth. Get yourselves here if you've got nothing to do. Actually, really nice Sea Life Centre. They're all pretty much the same sort of thing though, aren't they, these days? Really enjoyed that. Again, if you've got the Merlin Annual Pass, it's just literally cost me nothing to get in there. And yeah, don't moan that all the theme parks are closed, because technically they're not at the minute, because they're doing the Christmas events. But your midway attractions are open all year round. Well, there you go. Hope you've enjoyed this vlog from the Sea Life Centre, Great Yarmouth. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for next time we'll upload another video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.